Alright, this is our project. We used a huge capacitor on the rails to drown out any noise. We used a virtual ground with two kilo ohm resistors for the virtual ground in parallel, and that's fed into over here. This is our mic circuit. There's a 2 kilo ohm resistor before power to power the mic. Here we have a 47 nanofarad capacitor which goes this way into the mic, going into positive feedback terminal, and then it gets boosted here by this resistor, which is 68 kilo ohms with a 1K, so that gives you an output gain of 68 gain. And then that gets fit into this terminal over here, which sums it all together. And then this is our aux for our music. We had to increase the voltage on the output of the aux, so we used a 3 kilo ohm with a 1 kilo ohm to boost the signal, and that goes into our summing circuit, which all the resistors are 1K. And then that goes into a capacitor, which is 100 microfarads to clean out any noise, which goes into our bias T here, which includes a inductor, 100 kilo ohms, and then another 100 kilo ohms to negative power. And this also goes to positive power. And that gives us a clean signal coming out from the laser. This is our oscillator. We use this to test our circuit. We used the 4.7 nano with two 3.3 kilo ohm resistors, and this portion control the frequency, and we use a potentiometer for the gain because it's very sensitive to the gain, so we're able to get a sinus function with just the op amp. This is our receiving circuit. We put another huge capacitor between the rails to clean out any noise. This is our virtual ground, which I'm not going to go into. This is our solar panel, which is connected to virtual ground, and then the positive end is connected to a 33 nanofarad capacitor, which we calculated from our frequency that we wanted. 100, right?
Yep, go.
The frequency we wanted for this receiving circuit was 100, so we ended up using a 33 nanofarad with a 46 kilo ohm resistor to achieve that. This goes into two op amps, which are in parallel. The gain for each op amp is 100. This is a 100 kilo ohm resistor with a 1 kilo ohm resistor, so that's going to give you a gain of 100. So we put them in parallel to increase the gain and get maximum efficiency of the op amp. And then we had to play around with the capacitor value, and we got a 22 microfarad capacitor, which filtered out the DC offset fairly well, so we got a clean signal coming out for our speaker. Yeah.